Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Adventure Peely from Chapter 5, Season 1. Let's go in there at the top. Just draw a bit of a off-centered rectangle at the top of his head. Just going to pop that in like that there. Okay. Let's then just move down. This is the top of his head, so we're just going to put a line down like that. And I'm just going to pop one down like that. He's got goggles on, so I'm going to do two circles about here, so one there, just join those up and join them up there. And he's got a bit of sort of banana peel coming off here, so I'm just going to do curve up, down like that, and then I'm just going to go from about there, up, down like that, just join that up. It's also got another little bit coming off here, so I'm just going to do a little curve out and then another one there, join that up like so. Just going to put a little bit of sort of texture there, so looks like a little V there, and then a couple of little banana-y bits coming down, so sort of like that, just coming off there. Alright, let's pop another couple of circles inside of the goggles like that. There we go. Okay, now we can do the rest of his head. So that continues to go down, sort of tapers out to about there. And then let's do another one out like that. Okay, it's got like a denim jacket on, so I'm just going to pop the collar in about here and here. We're just going to do like a little circular element around like that. Okay, then what we can do is just two lines sort of on the top of the jacket there. Alright, another little line here, another little line there for the jacket area there. Alright, then what we can do is just continue the jacket down, so I'm just going to do a bit of a slightly wavy line like that. Same here, sort of in and out like that. Okay, line out here, line out there. It's got a couple of pockets here, so I'm just going to do a rectangle and then another, and then a rectangle and then another underneath there, and then we can sort of join that jacket up, so join up there and join up there. Okay, then his arms are kind of coming out here, so he's got the sleeve of his jacket, so I'm just going to pop and curve out there and curve out there. Okay, then it's got kind of like torn, shredded sleeves just here, so just going to do some sort of zigzags like this coming out there. Alright, okay, cool. Next up, let's just continue that body area, so I'm just going to go down like that to about here. Okay, then he's got his trousers, so I'm just going to do a bit of a jagged edge here, sort of go up and down and just join that there. Got a bit of a rectangular pocket sort of there, and I think he's got a map here, so I'm just going to do a little spiral about there, just going out like so, and then have that going in here, like two little lines there. Okay, two further lines like that. Alright, and then we can do his pockets of his sort of khaki cut off shorts, so I'm just going to go out here, down, same on the other side, go out here, down. Okay, then we can just join those bits up with some lines. Okay, let's do like a little line here, and then we can just continue the shorts down there, and then we can just do some jagged edges again here, those kind of cut off khakis. Alright, let's do legs. So kind of go into a knee here, so just two little lines there, sort of taper in, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we can come out, just going to pop his sort of calf in, down like that. Same here, come out a bit and down like that. Alright, this side we're going to go out and down as well, so he's got this sort of knee area there, I'm just going to come out and down, sort of skinny little legs. Let's do his feet. So I'm just going to kind of just go do a curve out like that. Just do the same on the other side. On the bottom there, just do a curve out like that. And go down here with the heel, so down there like that. Then we're just going to do a little sort of curved line there. We'll just join it up too. So just go around like that, and around like that. Okay, nice. All right. So then let's pop his arms in. So I'm going to do just a line down here and a line here. All right, and that's his like forearm there. So I'm just going to come out ever so slightly here, down, and here. I'm going to come out ever so slightly there and down like that. Let's do the same on the other side. So I'm just going to do again a line, so match that side there, line there. Then we're just going to pop out a little bit, come down, pop out, down like that. Okay. He's got some gloves on. I'm just going to do a curve, just join up those arms. Then I'm going to go down from here just to draw that thumb like that, okay? So just go down and around and up. And then for the rest of his fingers where the glove is, from this side, I'm going to go down to about here and then just curve some fingers around. So just go down like that. And then we're just going to curve around like this and join up the thumb. Let's do the same on the other side. So we're just going to do a line here, like that. Then we're going to go down and around very carefully and up. He's got sort of fingerless gloves, so 2 lines like that, and we'll join that up about there and there. Okay, put those arms in. Let's pop in, I think next, it's got like a bandana on, so it's going to come to, let's pop a little point in the middle there, okay? And that's just going to curve up to here, and then up to here, sort of a slight little V. Just pop in a little line underneath, just to show it sort of moving a little bit. It's sort of creased, a little sort of diagonal line there. And then I think probably about there is where we'll join up to here. So just move a line up there, and a line up there, show that kind of V shape. All right. It's got like a band on his arm here, so just pop in 2 lines like that. All right, that's cool. And let's do his face. So just do a, underneath him, he's got his 2 eyes under here, so I'm just going to go do round circle there, round circle there, okay? And let's just do a little peely smile like that in the middle there, okay? Now it's got light bouncing off in the middle here, so I'm just going to do another little circle, another little circle like that, just colour that in, okay? Cool, okay. He's also wearing a belt, so I'm going to put that back down to the khaki trousers. I'm going to do a rectangle here. There we are, quite a chunky one. Then it's got a belt on, so I'm just going to do 2 lines there, 2 lines down there, and then his belt kind of loops through, so we're just going to do 2 lines, 2 lines, 2 lines here, 2 lines there, join that up, alright? Let's just move over to a finer pen, and then what we can do with that is just pop in some detail at the top here. So this sort of banana peely bit, we can just move up here and up to the top. And this part here, what we can do is we can just do sort of the inner part of the peel as well. So just doing a line along there and up, and we can do a line along here, down, match that up there. All right, just adds that extra little bit on there. A couple of, I think, buttons on the shirt here, so just 2 little circles in there. And then he's got like Nana on his belt, so I'm just going to do N, A, N, A on the belt there. Then just a little bit of detail where his trousers are, so just going to pop a sort of diagonal line there, diagonal line there. And then he's got sort of scuffed, so these khakis must be pretty old, so I'm just going to do some kind of just distressed sort of look. So just move the pen around, a bit jagged, so it just sort of looks a bit more distressed. And actually what I'll do as well is just match up sort of these areas too on the edge where they're kind of a bit more distressed there. Just going to pop in a little line there just to join that area up too. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. Alright, nice. Okay, well, maybe just a bit here as well. And then maybe just on the gloves, just got like little pads there. So I'm just going to do like a little sort of semicircle on the pad area. Maybe we'll just do another little line in there, and just show a little bit of detail. And he's got like a little heel bit, so I'm just going to sort of do another line above where we've already drawn a heel, and maybe just join it in there. Just join it in there as well. Just go back to that larger black pen, and let's just ground him. Maybe I'll have him on some sort of field glass or something, so just like go up and down there. It just looks pretty cool for adventure peeling. Right, okay, that's that bit popped in there. Let's go in there with a yellow and start colouring him in. So let's get a nice vibrant yellow, and I'm just going to go and colour in the banana skin of Peely. There we go. Start filling that all in nice vibrant yellow. We've got a little bit of a sheen on just under here, so I'm just maybe just going to leave a little bit there. This side as well, so it shows the light bouncing off his arm. Maybe just here as well, and then the rest of that can be that nice yellow colour. Cool. This side, just pop that in there. His fingers and his thumb. Fingers and thumb that side too. Do his legs, so just gonna get that yellow in there. Again, just maybe just leave a little bit of white on that left hand side. Left hand side on that leg as well. Just kind of show the light popping with that. Cool. Then what I might do is just get a slightly darker yellowy orange, and then we'll just go sort of along the side of it, just ever so slightly, just to have a bit of darker detail around there. Here as well, maybe just by the jacket. Go down here, and here as well. And then we can also do this sort of part of the banana area as well. Yeah, that's cool. Just going to get a very sort of light yellowy beige, and just going to colour in the part of the peel. That's good. What I might do as well is just these little bits are sort of a little bit lighter as well. So I'm just going to go around those little edges of his shorts, those little distressed bits we did. Just pop those in there, like that. Then let's get a nice light blue for the jacket. So we'll just pop in a nice popping vibrant blue for the jacket there. And then we'll just get a slightly darker blue. And what we'll do there is we'll just add a little bit of texture here. It's kind of got sort of little pads, so I'm just going to do little rounded areas there. Just come back here. And then also he's got a little bit of blue on those goggles, and then one sort of blue just there as well. Okay, now for his shorts, I've got like a khaki green, so let's do the remainder of his shorts with that green, so pop that in. And then just that map, let's go back to that sort of lighting. Just put that map in, and just back to the khaki there. To couple of brown areas, so get a brown pen. Let's just do that top of that banana peely's head, and then we've got also just at the bottom here this lower part of this foot seems a little bit brownish as well. Then I'm going to get a lighter grey, and what we'll do is the inner part of these goggles can be a lighter grey, and this belt, that can be a lighter grey. I'll just maybe leave the sort of middle bit, so it just looks like the light's bouncing off that. And then these gloves as well, let's just sort of fill in sort of half of these areas there. And then what we can do is get a darker grey, and I can do the rest of those goggles, so just fill in around there, fill in there, and then we can do sort of the other half area of these gloves as well. There we are. Okay, and then nice little pop of red just for his bandana. So going there, the nice vibrant red, and we'll just pop that nice and red now. Just continue just to work it in there, just so it looks like a bit of a shadow area. Okay. And then what I'm just going to do with that where the grass is, just put some more of that khaki green in that he's standing on, just to ground him. There we go. So that is, as requested, Adventure Peely. So let's pop that in. Adventure Peely on Art Draw. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.